drifted before?
No. First time.
Okay. Ridden a roller coaster?
Nope.
Alright. No? It's a roller coaster, but you're in a racing harness. It's awesome. Our two lovely models. We're gonna send them sideways. We are here with a guy who's running Vegas Drift. This is Nick.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Guys, check it out. It is unlike anything else. Have you drifted before?
No.
Oh God, it's your first time. Guys, we're gonna share their first time on camera.
Just hang tight.
How often do they catch on fire?
Not very often, thankfully.
Not very often. All right, so we're gonna look at some of these pro drift cars. The pro drifts.
I'm like, ah.
Okay.
Don't kill us.
I will.
Oh my god, it was so much fun.
How would you describe that?
No words.
It's amazing what human beings have done
That was crazy.
in terms of just entertaining ourselves.